kasi although malikot siya, pero kung sa kaswitan lang, super sweet naman si Liam. Napaka mapagmahal niyang bata. Yun din yung isa sa pinagpapasalamat namin kay Lord. Na binigyan kami ng isang Liam na buong puso namin mamahalin habang buhay.
Happy birthday! I'm happy for you kasi alam ko nag-enjoy ka na yung birthday mo. Sana i-treasure mo itong moment na to, and make it special as you are to us. My birthday wish is sana you'll be blessed with good health and more happiness. I love you! Happy birthday! All the best in life, and we wish you good health and happy life. We love you!
Hello, Liam. Thank you for inviting me to your birthday party, and I wish you all the best in life.
Can I kiss you, Liam?
Sure, why not?
Liam, wish namin sa'yo lahat ng pangarap mo sa buhay, sana matupad mo. Habang nakatayo kami, susuportahan ka namin. Happy birthday, mahal ka namin.
Sana sa paglaki mo, lumaki kang mabait, mapagmahal, yung maging healthy ka lang, yun lang ang lagi kong pinapanalangin kay Lord. Sana lagi kang maging masaya. Sana mag-enjoy ka ngayong birthday mo. Mahal na mahal ka namin.
Happy birthday, Liam!
We love you!
Enjoy your day!
Join me as we welcome the celebrator. How about a big round of applause for Liam, Harvey, and Fernando?